Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make those viral strawberry biscuits. So if you enjoy making quick and easy recipes, hit the like down below, and if you haven't already done so yet, consider subscribing and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is add 2 cups of flour to a bowl. Next, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Next, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're just going to combine the dry ingredients. So I shredded 6 tablespoons of butter, and you want to make sure that the butter is frozen when you try to shred it, because it's a little bit easier. But we're just going to add this to our bowl and use our hands and mix it together until it gets nice and crumbly. Now we're going to be adding 1 cup of buttermilk, or you could use whole milk. Now we're just going to give everything a quick stir. Now we're going to add 1 cup of diced strawberries, and you want to make sure you dice this until it's almost like a paste. And try not to overmix, because then it'll become too tacky and hard to form dough. So now we're just going to cut out our biscuits, and we're going to add it to our grease skillet. And you could grease your skillet by adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter and just spreading it around. So once we cut our biscuit, it should look something like this. Y'all see them strawberries? And we're going to continue to cut them out until we don't have no more dough. And we're going to just be past this portion because it's pretty self-explanatory. Now we're just going to add a little egg wash over the top of our biscuits, and you just want to add egg and a little bit of water and mix it together. And this is just going to make it nice and golden brown at the top. Now we're going to bake our biscuits in the oven on 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're going to make our icing by adding 2 tablespoons of milk to 1 cup of powdered sugar. Stir well until we get a nice creamy frosting. And when you're done mixing, your glaze should look something like this. Once the biscuits are nice and cool, we're going to go ahead and add our glaze on top. And just like that, we made ourselves some homemade strawberry biscuits. These came out so good. I hope you guys get a chance to try it. And thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Until the next video, you guys, I hope you guys stay safe out there and peace.